what we are going to make today. I saw this viral pickle chips. I want to try it today. So it's only 2 ingredients, just the cheese and the pickle. It's going viral, guys. It's going viral. So let's do this. I saw it online and I say I want to try. Let's give it a try. I'm using mozzarella cheese. The black mozzarella cheese. Let's do this. So it's just cheese and pickle. Cheese and pickles. You wanna see? Let's give it a try and see if it's good or not. So this is what people are doing. Do that. So you just lay your pickles like that. Then you can use it for your sandwiches. If you are watching your cup, so this will be your base for the sandwich, for your sandwiches. So I already preheated my oven at 375. We're gonna put it on bake, and it will take around 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. But we'll time it and see. We're gonna put more on top, more cheese on top. I like to try viral videos and see if they are good or not. Nothing to lose. And you will never know if you don't try. You will never know. Gonna be cheesy. Cheesy, cheesy, cheesy. Cheesy, 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 cheesy. This is it. I'm ready. So we are going to put it in the oven. My oven is already preheated. This is it. But we are going to wait for it to cool down. Cool down. Look how pretty. Gonna let it cool. It's ready. Now we are going to make loaded sandwiches. Loaded sandwiches. Oh my goodness. Looking so good. This is it. So we are going to do bacon, a little bit of onion and tomatoes. Oh my goodness. It's worth it, guys. It's worth it. So this is it. That's one sandwich. Our bacon. Then we're gonna do onions. And the breakfast is done. Can't wait to dig in. Look how beautiful, guys. Another one. Huge sandwiches. So the bacon first. I'm going to line up bacon. Bacon and some tomatoes. We put 2 tomatoes. This is huge sandwich. I want it loaded. Look how beautiful. So, this is what I'm going to do now. Get rid of this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Maybe I'm gonna slice this. It's huge. Look how beautiful. Oh my goodness. Breakfast is ready. Breakfast is ready, guys. Breakfast is ready. This is very good when you are watching your weight. You want to eat the crabs? It's beautiful. 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 So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with friends and family. Bye. The breakfast is ready.